Even though Redmi made some downgrades in the Note 11 series, the Note 11s is the middle child that is worth your money. What's up guys, it's Michael. One thing that caught my eye about this device is the amazing display. I haven't seen something as good as this from the brand at this price point. Everyone that I have shown this device to has commended it. Even with the portable display, it feels kind of hard to type for me on this display. To be honest, I don't know if my hand is too big or too small. You can appreciate the minimal design, but letting this device rest on your pinky finger while you type is painful. The best way to be free from this stress is by using the included case. Since this device is made of plastic, it doesn't feel heavy without a case. No cap that the default camera produces okay looking photos, but the Gcam results are way much better, but the app lags to an extent. At the rear, we have a 180 megapixel quad camera setup that doesn't record even 2K videos but has video stabilization at 1080p. Let me know in the comment section below of what you think about the result of what was taken on the stock camera app. This is a front-facing camera test of the Redmi Note 11s. Let me know in the comment section below of what you think about the video quality and the audio quality. The stereo speakers on this device sound amazing, but the placement of the 3.5mm headphone jack is awkward to me. I personally don't like it. It looks like an antenna on my phone. The 12nm Helio G96 does an okay job, but it would have been better if we got something like a Dimensity chipset. Gaming on here is a 6/10. Playing most games on default settings won't get this device heated up. And if you decide to play games at max settings, this device will get a bit hot with no heat dissipation to cool it down. Just put your phone in the fridge and wait for it to cool down. Don't try this at home, kids. Depending on the storage variant you decide to pick, this is a better purchase than buying the Note 11 Pro. The 5000 mAh battery can take you through a whole day because the 90Hz refresh rate doesn't drain a lot of battery, and even if the device eventually dies and you want to juice it up, it takes about 70 minutes with the 33W power brick included in the box. That is fast for me, especially when the power holding company only brings like 90 minutes every day. Out of the box, the Note 11s runs on Android 11 with Xiaomi's latest custom skin, which is MIUI 13. I don't like it, especially with the bloatware and ads, but you can always customize it to your taste and delete the unnecessary apps, especially if you get the Chinese variants like I did. There are some miscellaneous things on this device like the IP58 rating, which works with water, splash and dust. I won't recommend you putting this device into water, and I am not going to do that also. You can meet Valor reviews to do that for you, and the IR blaster to control most appliances in your home. Depending on the phone you are coming from, the Note 11s might be an option for you. The Redmi Note 11s has the size and display of the Note 11 and the chipset and camera of the Note 11 Pro. That is why it is called the sweet in the middle sports child. Don't upgrade to this device if you already own the Redmi Note 10s or the Note 10 Pro. It is not going to be worth it. Check out my comparison on the Infinix Zero 5G and Redmi Note 11s. Click here to watch my gaming review on the Redmi Note 11s. Check out this playlist here, and I'll see you in future videos.